Hello, hello. Hi, Nana. Hello to Michael Tor. Welcome. Or si Oliva. Oliva. Hello to Shams. Hello po. Hi, Plumber. Don't mind my hair. It's a bad hair day for me today. Hair ko ngayon. So, I need to wash this after my life. It's so oily. Hello, Plumber. Welcome. I own Nest. Own Nest. I'm sick. Yeah, I know. Hello to 288. Welcome. Nagagalit na naman yung aking ina. Sana. Tunay na tunay. Let me get some wine. I gotta dance, I gotta cheat. I expired. Molano 24. Hello guys. Hi, incredible babes. Oh, thank you, Mario. Thank you so much. I'm not hot. I'm not. Silly. Hi to 305. Don't mind my hair, guys, this morning, ha? Ang bad hair day ko ngayon. Why am I burning your eyes? Do I look like a son to you? Why you ask? Why are you crying? Hello to 304. Hello, hello. Like the sun. No, it's a cry emoji. There. The last emoji. Not you. Not you, Plumber. Not the one you sent. Mix kinda fine today. Kinda fine though. Hi to 311. But thank you for asking, guys. Hi, Zuzudru. Hello to 322. Please help me reach 3 stars this morning. I unfollowed you? Really? Hmm. Let me check. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I unfollowed you. Hello to Nana. Hello to 332. Hi to Fibonacci. Well, I am sorry. I am just unfollowing guys. I don't know. I don't like a lot of followings on my page. Oh, by the way, to those who's asking the other day if you're still here on my live today, I deleted all of my TikTok videos. I deleted all because there is someone stealing my videos on TikTok. Like the fuck. The weather condition here right now, it's rainy. Rainy pa din. Raining heavily nga kanina eh. Sobrang maulan. Pero goods na yung gantong weather, hindi mainit. Hala to 336. Oh, don't cry, Plumber already followed you again. Hi, John. John, ano naman yours? Hello to 341. Hi, hot boy. Bakit ba lumalabas? Lalabas siya. I already followed you. Yeah, I already followed you, Plumber. Hi to Santana Winnin. Hi to Hihihi. Welcome. Hello to BMW. Good morning. Good morning. Boba. Hello to 337. Good morning, mga madlang babes. Kilobans. Good morning. Hi, Amar. Ano sa'yo pa ulo ko? Hello to Rick Hunter. Aray. Shit. So hard. Hi to Mysterious Man. Anong wow? Bakit wow? Hello, Rick Hunter. Thank you, Rick Hunter. Thank you so much po. So, ulo ko. Thank you, Rick Hunter. I don't know. It depends. Well, I really love rainy days. Hi to 366. Good morning. I really love rainy days, guys. Thank you. Thank you po. So, ito po. Oh, I have here. It's just I just drink coffee this morning, so I haven't eat yet, so that's why. Hello to 370. Hello, Lewis. Are they natural? Yes, they are. I don't like surgeries, no, so it's all naturals. Sala kayo. Wala, ipangkakain ko na lang. Hello to Rick Hunter. I'd rather buy food with my money than to have a freaking surgery. Hello to 364. Welcome to my life.